Hey guys, we're at Liliath and Raymund's house. We made a video a few days ago, and unfortunately their whole house was blown over. See a couple of trees falling over, that big one there. So unfortunately their house did not make it. We do have the family today. We have a surprise gift for them, and I just want to start the video here so you can kind of see where their house used to be. And then we built them a double CR with the family next door, Ramel and Tichi. But there's the double CR. So they got what they could. There's no place to hide from the sun, so we're actually gonna do the video inside in their temporary home. They built this from all the leftover that their old house that fell over. But we're just gonna go inside and have a little chat with them. So how's everybody doing?
Kumusta man mo dire?
Okay ra gamay.
And they actually have one more son, but he's not here today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people stay in here. So this is what they built temporarily. You can see the one wall is part of the double CR that we built. So what's your guys' plan with the house? Would you want to try to rebuild it?
Unsa daw plano ninyo? Inyo ba daw nang ipabarog ug balik katong natumba dito? Katumba.
Pwede ra sa daay balhin na mo daari day.
Pero plano mo nga. Yeah, they will rebuild, but not that near to that house.
So not in that same location,
Yeah.
It'll be near, but okay. All right, well, we do have a surprise for you. This is from David from Montreal, Canada. And he's the same person who helped with this double CR. And then also from other videos, help with Princess's bike and TV, and among other gifts. But this is a big thank you to David, so thank you for this.
You can David. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And he wanted to give you this exact change that I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 23.50 and some change, 3 pesos. So this is for you.
Thank you.
You're very, very welcome. And to help rebuild the house or make your life a little bit easier, whatever I know you guys know what best is for your family. But if you guys want to, we are more than, I know, do you guys have like any transportation? Like a
Kanang inyo
motorbike?
siya baabot sa inyong balay kung mangumpra og kanang kuan. Na may kasakyan wala ra. Kay ug makinahanglan mo og mga kumprahon, pwede ra mamoy nga namo kay mo kumpra ra mi. They don't have, but I told them if you need us to get materials, we
can help you. If you guys want to make a list or anything like that, and when it's time to go to the store, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to take you to wherever you need to go to help you to get what you need. But in the meantime, do you guys need any help like cleaning up or preparing anything today, or
kanang malimpyo mo ato or dili ra?
Di daani ra mi balhin na mi daari.
Mo transfer mo ang floor di ay di na tunyo gamiton.
Ay kuan naman to dara gabok na ba naganang lanay ka na ay liki-liki.
No.
no?
Yeah,
Okay,
because they're planning to transfer near to that, so they need.
near there. Okay.
Pwede dari ani la tubangan day. Daani lang ba tubangan. Doon po sa CR.
They will transfer
They're
near the
transferring.
CR.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess that's the update for today. So whenever you guys start to get going, we'll try to do some more updates
Yeah.
and different things.
Kung
And,
kanas mo magkuan ingna lang mi ha. Pwede sad mo maglista kabalo ra ka mo himog. Pedidos off.
Pwede ra ugma sugod.
They said he knows how to, you know,
like
make a
prepare
list.
everything,
Yeah, make a
know
list.
what he needs and all that stuff. Okay, good.
He's a construction worker.
Yeah, he helped with the CR and you know, different things. So it's nice to have someone that knows what they're doing, so they know exactly what to order. So this was just like a quick little visit. I wanted to get this to them as soon as possible, just so they can get started. But eventually, we'll show you some updates on this. And I guess that's it for today. We might just it's been so windy with the drone. I might fly the drone just a little bit, but that might be just the end of the video with that. But soon after, we'll start making more updates with Liliath and Raymund's family. So thank you, David from Canada. You are awesome. Thank you very much. This is a huge help.
Thank you.
So-
Thank you.
You're very, you're very welcome. Thank you, David. All right, so I guess we'll let them be, and they're probably started on the list very soon, and we'll update you guys with that soon. And then for the end of the video, I think I'll do a little drone footage over the area. So we'll see you guys next time, and take care, guys. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so right outside the double CR where they put their temporary house, and we've been talking to them. They have an idea of put the house here. So they're gonna add on some rocks and different things to make it level. There's some rocks up there. And so right around this area is where their new house will be. And the good thing about this area is that Liliath and Teachy, they own this land right here. So we don't have to worry about any problems in the future. So here, the coconut tree that fell, they can cut that and use that for wood for the house. And I'm not sure if there's any others, but I'll walk up here just so you guys can see a little bit better of an angle. So this was the old house, and then turning around, they have an idea to put the new house there. You know, it's not set in stone or anything, but they're thinking it's gonna be right there. Wow. The drone? Yeah, you wanna see the drone today? All right, I'll fly the drone. Beautiful view. That wind actually feels really nice. Check out this big tree that fell. Pretty big rocks in there. They got these fans next to the tree. This is pretty much the kids' jungle gym now. You got a fan up there. Look at that one go.